Namaskar, hello and welcome back. In my previous two videos, we have discussed about learning and investment. In today's video, we'll be talking about opportunities. Now, when I say opportunities, are we an opportunity creator or we are an opportunity seeker? Because if we are an opportunity seeker, I want you people to please give a deep thought to it before answering this question. Are you an opportunity creator or an opportunity seeker? Because unfortunately, I had asked this question to many sessions that I have conducted previously, and all my sessions, most 90% of the people have given the reply that they are an opportunity seeker, they are not an opportunity creator. Now what happens, I'll tell you this, when you are an opportunity seeker, you're completely dependent on to the person who is creating an opportunity. So you're dependent on that person who is creating an opportunity. So if the person who is creating an opportunity freezes creating an opportunity, then you are stuck at some level wherein you want to grow but you cannot grow because you have not thought of creating an opportunity. But I personally feel, I believe that each and every individual of us is an opportunity creator. Because I'll give a small example. If you want to work for an organization, right, and if you want to get into that organization, you will not wait for for that organization to publish an advertisement saying that we are in a need of 50 people, right? I am sure that we don't want to be from that lot. We want to be a chosen one, right? So that's a different that opportunity creators are capable of, right? So if you are an opportunity creator, I would say that you will definitely get on to finding an opportunity wherein you can get into that organization where you are willing to get into, right? So that's the effort that you will put in, that's the energy that you will put in, and you will try and identify how I can get into that organization. You will not keep on waiting that one day this organization will start identifying people and then I'll go and apply for that. You don't do that, right? If you are an opportunity creator, opportunity comes to you knocking at your door, and that happens. I have seen that happening in my life, and also in all the mentees and the students that I have trained so far. I have seen that happening, that opportunity comes to your door, knocking at your door, that I want you in my organization. That has happened with people, right? So if you are an opportunity seeker, change the thought process that you are not an opportunity seeker, you are an opportunity creator. If you want to get into an organization, you will find avenues of getting into that organization, and people have done that, and people have got the results as well, right? And positive results, by the way, right? So I want you all to identify that, because you are an opportunity creator, and if you are an opportunity creator, don't miss this opportunity by saying that I am an opportunity seeker, so I'll just wait for the opportunity to happen to me. It's not going to happen that way. You have to create an opportunity, right? So create that opportunity, get into the market, prove that you are worth of it. हिंदी में there is one line which I generally most of the times I say that अगर आप काबिल हैं तो आपके लिए जगह बना दी जाएगी, आपको जगह बनने का इंतज़ार करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, right? So if that makes sense to you, right, do mention whatever you have thought about the all 3 points that we have discussed so far in the comment section, and hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. Thank you.